A day today that turned out pretty decently. Now, we did see a lot of clouds, but there's been a little bit of sun around. We had some early and then again a little bit here late. That is a live look with your St. Joseph Health WeatherBug camera. That one is located at Center College in Danville. And you are looking at not a bad latter part of the afternoon. It's warm. It's been windy too. And it's still dry. We're still picking up some stuff aloft. That's going down through Middle Tennessee. So we've got a little time before stuff gets here. Tomorrow, MaxTrack will be busy both early and then again late in the day. The late in the day is when life gets a little more interesting, because tomorrow night into Saturday, kind of a bad timing, good timing, depending on your point of view. Good timing, the fact that Friday night into Saturday morning, you're not affecting a whole lot of businesses in that time frame. Certainly school's not affected, but that goes into the bad timing aspect, because when I've been out doing Weather 101s and the teacher things, when do we get a snow day? And we keep getting these little snows on Saturdays. 8-day chilly start to it, but a much milder finish looks to be in store. Now, the wind out there today, you're looking at those gusts, 15, 25, 30 mile an hour gusts have been going on again, but they're southerly winds, so that's helped to bring the temperatures up quite nicely. Middle upper 50s as we are in the latter part of this afternoon, so we are about 10 to almost 15 degrees above normal, 58 Bluegrass Airport. South wind 21, again gusting to above 30 miles an hour. The air really dry, which is why when we're talking about seeing stuff on the radar, it's off at a distance and aloft and evaporating on the way down. But that's going to change. So here's the setup. Weak area of low pressure cutting across the lakes. You've got a fairly cold high sitting up there over North Dakota and another weak area of low pressure in the Texas Panhandle. Here's how everything evolves. By midnight, the cold front begins to approach western Kentucky, central Indiana. Little light rain begins to break out to our west. By the time we get you into the morning commute, we are seeing some light rain in the area. The cold front will be crossing the area middle of the day tomorrow. As we continue into the latter part of the afternoon, the cold air begins to make its presence felt. We'll begin to see those temperatures falling late tomorrow afternoon. By tomorrow evening, we'll be seeing rain developing mainly across the south, but the northern flank of this could be a wintry mix or out and out snow. I think the timing probably a little bit after the 6 o'clock hour, but again, we'll be watching that developing as we continue then into the latter part of the evening tomorrow. So if your Valentine's Day plans, if you're moving it a day to Friday, be aware that travel could be a little utsy tomorrow late evening into the overnight hours of Saturday. In fact, that snow should be continuing Saturday morning and should begin to push off to the east at that point as the low itself heads into the Carolinas. Latter part of the day Saturday will dry things out, and the next system in the sequence may try and bring a little rain or snow in here on Sunday. We do have a winter weather advisory that runs through central Kentucky, including Lexington, all the way down toward Lake Cumberland. That is for tomorrow night into Saturday morning. Here is our forecast, at least the first look. A swath of 1 to 3 inch snow right across central Kentucky, kind of flanked by a 1 to 2 inch with a little ice across the south. Lesser amounts both far north and far south. Clouds thicken, rain chance late tonight. Stay mild in the low 40s. Thing is, that's close to your high tomorrow. Light rain early and then again late. So I think the evening commute tomorrow is still wet, but that changes as we get into tomorrow night. We do change over to snow. The rain and snow possibilities are early on Saturday and then kind of middle of the day on Sunday. Temperatures just above freezing, so nothing should hang around too long.
And again, the timing's not too bad either.
Yeah.
We try and work things out as best we can. Silver linings.
Thank you, Bill.
You're a servant of the people, William. You really are. Thank you so much.